This is an exhaust manifold. I think it's a Ford Transit Turbo Diesel. It's got some broken studs in there, or at least stripped studs. And I've had a go trying to get them out with no success at all, so it's down to me to get them out. The first thing I'm going to do was weld nuts onto them. Weld these nuts on, and then I'll probably put some heat on and try and get them out that way. I'm just going to grind the galvy coating off these nuts so they get a better hold, and then we'll MIG weld them on. Make sure we've got a decent earth. Right, you've got a decent hold. A little bit of heat off the welding will also soak in, and that may help them to come out. But I don't think it will. I think it's going to need some serious heat on here to get these moving. Oh, one's moved anyway. And if they come out this way, it saves me having to piss about drilling them, but of course it won't be quite as good a video. That's snapped off, so that's a drill out job, I think. I know we're getting that nut on. I think we've got two moving. Empty oil can, it's a bit like tits on a nun really. Yeah, that's one out. The threads aren't very good, and I'll be putting probably end up putting a helicon into that, I would think. Yeah, I'm going to try some more local heat on there. Right, we'll let that cool down, and we'll weld another nut onto there. Oh, they don't want to play. They don't want to play. No, they don't want to play. I don't mind it pulling the threads out. I just don't want to snap the bastard thing off in the hole. More heat, I think. Can't find me lighter, so when I used to smoke, I always had a lighter. Fortunately, those days are long gone. So, I think I'm wasting my time with that one. Ah, maybe not. Definitely pulling the threads out, but we can repair that. If you snap the studs off in the hole with them being heated, they go really hard, the horrible bastard things. Make sure that's 2 out of 3 out. Yeah, pull the threads. Ooh. Not sure. A bit of perseverance has definitely paid off on them. I might go to putting a tap in those tool to try and have a look. These actually don't look too bad. It's a standard M8 by 125 thread, so I'm going to try putting a really do with a new brush. There's not a great lot left of that, is there? Right, plenty of tap and paste. That one will be good to go. That one goes right through, and these two are what they call blind holes. That means that the bottoms are closed in. Plenty of threads in there. Last one. Yeah, that one's all the way through as well actually, so that one there you could have put a nut and bolt in if you're really stuck, but these two you can't get nuts on the top. Yeah, it'll be alright I think. We'll put some of this nice nickel base anti-seize on. This is what it's ideal for, turbocharger studs. John, man. Clumsy bastard, you. Right, there's nothing the matter with that, that's going in very nicely indeed. That's a little fitting on the end of it to put a female Torx on to screw them in with or to screw them out with, but if we just do and screw out, it's as simple as that. I've got a miserable life getting hot and cold. I can't sing the praises of this stuff enough, it's absolutely superb. Once again, the video would have been better if I'd snapped it off in the hole and I had to drill the bastard thing out. But I'm sure the next ones won't come out quite as easy. That's two in a row I've done now that have been simple and straightforward. Yeah, nothing at all matter with them. I've really got the dropsies tonight. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because we're all getting perilously near to 100,000 views. Anyway, thanks for watching.